Where did the moon come from? In the early 20th century, scientists thought that the moon was formed by splitting away from the Earth, soon after the Earth was formed. The calculations showed that, if this theory was correct, the moon would still be slowly moving away from Earth. Accurate measurements made more recently have shown that the moon is still moving away from Earth, at a rate of about 4 semiperts each year. These calculations could not completely confirm the theory that the moon had formed by splitting away from the Earth. In 1974, it was suggested that the moon was formed in a different way. This is called the collision theory. Collision theory for formation of the moon. The collision theory, more commonly called the giant impact hypothesis, is another theory of how the moon was formed. There is more evidence that supports the collision theory than any other current theory. The collision theory refers to a collision that happened relatively soon after the formation of the solar system. A newly formed planet, about the same size as Mars, collided with the 217 sound in space newly formed Earth. Scientists have called the colliding planet Theia. The picture, drawn by an artist, shows what the collision between Earth, left, and Theia may have looked like. The collision would have caused rocks and dust to break away from both planets. The theory states that Earth was formed from the two planets joined together. The moon was formed when the rocks and dust was pulled together by gravity.
What early theory explained the moon's origin? According to old calculations, what should the moon do? How fast is the moon moving away? Did new measurements support moon recession? In what year was a different theory suggested? What is the newer theory commonly called? Which theory has the most supporting evidence? When did the collision happen? What was the colliding planet called? What formed the moon in the collision theory?